Hi, hello, welcome. Myself, MC Teju here, and welcome to EQ International Magazine, and also welcome to Chemi Tech. Now we have with us Akash Gupta. Namaskar, sir. So, may know more about your company, Chemi Tech.
Yeah. Hi. So, Chemitech Group, as such, we are around 35 years old. Solar division was started way back in 2016. And for Adani, we are one of their oldest channel partners now. Apart from that, we are focusing a lot on manufacturing. So, we have our own FRP walkways, FRP cable trays, aluminum structures. The USP of our company, ACDB, DCDB, e-mobility solutions like EV chargers. Right now the USP of our company is that for a tin shed project, if we are getting an order, including solar panels to structures to cable trays to DC cables to connectors, I think we can supply the entire solution within maybe 2 or 3 days maximum, which right now the industry standard is 20 to 30 days. So we have really shortened the time. It is really easy for anyone to go for a tin shed solar system with our solutions now.
So, you mean to say where the other companies deliver in a span of a month and you do it in a span of just 2 or 3 days? It's really a great thing because every customer usually expect the very fast delivery. What exactly you are doing? So, thanks for that. And what are the product offerings you are doing with?
So there are two divisions here. One is the trading division and second is the manufacturing division. In trading division, we are giving Adani Solar, we are giving JA Solar, Trina, Suntech, Solex. As far as connectors are concerned, we are giving Stobly, Lab DC cables. And in manufacturing, we are manufacturing our own FRP walkways, FRP cable trays, aluminum structures. You can see here ACDB, DCDB, and electric vehicle chargers. Yeah, these are these solutions that we are offering. Apart from this, we also offer consultancy and design services to our existing customers.
That's really great. And can you share your thoughts on ALMM?
So, it is something that was, it has been very confusing, especially as traders, because there's no line of action till now. But I think it is very important for the country to have ALMM to boost domestic manufacturing, but at the same time it is important to have external competition as well. For example, in case of automotives, there's a very high duty on imported cars, 120% duty, but still you have that option of importing the cars. Non-tariff barrier is, I think non-tariff barrier is something that is not workable according to me. Yeah.
So, as of now, you said that you are the best competitor internationally, as you said, the fastest delivery with respect to other companies. And what is the expectation and what is the expected target in the current financial year?
So, we are focusing a lot on increasing our own manufacturing right now. In current year, I think we want to focus more on increasing our product offerings in aluminum, in AC panels, in junction boxes, in cable trays. Trading, I think, last year we achieved a turnover of more than 100 crores. I think it was 110 crores. And this year we are looking at, it really depends on ALMM, but in ideal conditions, we should touch at least 150 this time.
That's really awesome. Okay, so how many system integrators you are providing?
Right now we are connected to more than 4,000 system integrators across India who are our regular customers with repeat orders, and we basically aim to increase it by 50% every year.
That's really awesome. And thank you for sharing your opinions and all the best for Chemitech. I wish definitely will achieve your target this financial year. Thank you so much.